Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video, I will explain about the SUMX function. Like what is SUMX function? So SUMX is an iteration function in Power BI that works on a row by row calculation for the given expression or equation. This function considers each row at a time and applies the calculation. It will not concentrate on the entire column unlike the sum function, but it works like a cell by cell formula in Excel. Sum is an aggregate function and SUMX is an expression function. One can perform Power BI data manipulation by using the DAX function, and SUMX is one such function in Power BI. The syntax for this SUMX is like SUMX table then expression. We'll see in more details here. So here we'll go this table sales 2018-19. This is our sales column, and this is the price. So this we can see different value like some are blank 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and some well like price. So here it will calculate like multiply two column like price, this is the price and sell, and then calculate the sum. So here one approach is like okay, multiply each row like row number 1 sales value price, row number 2 sales and price, like that multiply each row one by one and then calculate the source means total sum. Here one advantage means one problem is we can't use the standard aggregation function. We need to use the iterative function. They will not use row extract here. So here the step 1 will be evaluate the expression for every row. After the step 2 means aggregate means we can sum that up. Here we'll see how we do it. So click on new measure. The SUMX function. After that this is the table name sales price. After that multiplied by so this is how it works here. Means SUMX table name then the expression. Just wait. Now we'll here this table will move the alternate revenue here. So we can see here this is the alternate revenue column here, and at the sum this is 198,495.73 here. If we want we can do some formatting like okay we want dollar symbol here. So we can see dollar symbol. Suppose we want like okay after decimal 2 place only we can. So here we give the dollar symbol here. After that set to means after decimal it will calculate the 2 digit here. So as we can see a 0.5, 0.1 like that. At the last total sum is like 198,495.73 here. This is after decimal 2 places. So this is how the SUMX function work here. Please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision.